Gross profit margins. Ever heard of them? In this video, we're going to explore the significance of GPMs for auto repair shops and provide practical tips for boosting profit margins, all based on these questions commonly asked by other auto repair shop owners. How do I calculate my GPM? What is the ideal GPM? How do I improve my GPM? Super quick, before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button because we're putting out videos weekly that will help you maximize profits for your business. Okay, now let's dive in. First of all, what are gross profit margins? They're a crucial metric that reflects the percentage of revenue that remains after the cost of goods sold is subtracted. Now, how do you get started with monitoring your GPM? First, you have to calculate your gross profit margin. You need to know the total revenue generated from parts sales and the total cost of those parts. Once you have this information, you can use the following formula. Gross profit margin equals revenue minus cost of goods sold divided by revenue times 100. Here, revenue refers to the total amount of money generated from the sale of parts, and cost of goods sold refers to the total cost of acquiring those parts from suppliers. With the right margin, you can cover your costs, make a reasonable profit, and remain competitive in the marketplace. What is the ideal GPM for auto repair shops? The long answer would be that it depends on various factors, such as the location of the shop, the types of services offered, and the competitive landscape in the local market. The generally accepted by the industry answer would be around 20 to 40% on the sale of parts. However, it's more complicated than that. You can't simply mark up all products by the same percentage. The other half of it is around 50% on labor. It should be a larger payroll margin than generic small businesses because it's more labor intensive unless you just sell parts. Remember, it can be trial and error. Now, most importantly, how do you improve profit margins? Every job is different. However, if your labor sales are significantly higher than your parts sales over time, it usually means that you aren't marking your parts up enough. If your parts sales are significantly higher than your labor sales over time, it usually means that your shop labor rates are too low. For a breakdown of parts price ranges and their associated markups, plus the ideal payroll margin to pair the model with, download our free matrix pricing template in the description. So, is there anything else you can do to reach higher gross profit margins? As a matter of fact, there is. Auto repair shop owners should try the following best practices. If you structure your GPM goals accordingly and track your sales and cost activity, your focus can shift to maximizing volume based on potential per service bay. Finding the right approach for your specific business requires a deep understanding of your operations, customer base, and local market dynamics. Schedule a free consultation to find out if we can be a good fit for your business by clicking the link in the description. If you're looking for more tips to boost your shop's performance, download our free ebook, Quick Tips for Automotive Repair Shops, all available in the description. See you next time.